Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. This recipe has been requested by Daenerys Targaryen. We already made a video on a pizza dough recipe, so we thought we might as well make a pepperoni pizza recipe. Cause you know how she gets season 8. So I hope that you enjoy this episode. So what you'll need is pizza dough. If you want, you can make your own pizza dough. I'm going to link a video in the cards that you can follow. But since I'm a lazy I just came back from work and I really don't want to make a pizza dough, so I just got one from the store. Next, the pizza sauce. Again, you can make your own from scratch, or you can buy one, like I did. If you haven't figured it out yet, this is going to be the lazy version of a pepperoni pizza. Of course, the cheese. I took some grated mozzarella cheese, and this is some strong Dutch cheese that I'm going to use. You can use whatever cheese you like, but I recommend that you use mozzarella for that extra stringiness, of course. And finally, pepperoni. I must say, getting pepperoni in Europe is proven quite hard, where I live anyway. So I bought something that really resembles it. It's a Turkish style garlic sausage and it really reminds me of pepperoni. So if you can't get your hands on real pepperoni, you can substitute it with something else that resembles it. But of course, nothing replaces the real deal. So if you can buy pepperoni, do that. Alright, let's get started. So first, take a pizza tray and roll out your dough in there. I'm just going to leave the baking paper on there because the packet said so. I think otherwise the dough will be stretched out a bit too much. So since I want a bit of a crust, because this is quite flat as you can see, I'm just going to roll the pizza up a bit. Now it's time to put the tomato sauce on there. There we go. I just bought this tomato sauce with some basil in it because I thought it was going to go well with the pizza, but you can use whatever you like. Then comes the cheese. Cover the bottom with a good layer of cheese. It really depends on how much cheese you like, but of course it wouldn't be a pizza if you didn't put a lot of cheese on there. And now it's time for the pepperoni. I know it's not the real thing, but it's the closest I could find here as a substitute. And there you go. So now place your pizza in the oven for as long as the packet says that you should put your pizza in the oven for. Well, that was really to the point. My packet says 10 to 12 minutes. Let's see what happens. As you can see, our previous oven broke. So now we have to do with this new one I did not know how to operate. Fingers crossed. Pizza, 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 pizza. And there we go. Our pizza is done. I don't know if you can see, but my pepperoni turned upward for some reason, except for this one. This one stayed as it should. Aside from that and the fact that my oven needs more tweaking, the crust is okay. It's not as firm as I want it to be, but through trial and error, I will figure out this oven one day or the other. Now it's time to cut it up and eat. See, the bottom isn't that crusty as I want it to be. Damn you, oven. Just going to take one. You can definitely... Whoa. Oh, that's one spicy sausage. Oh, I forgot how spicy it was. That garlic though. Of course, I'm not going to lie. This is not pepperoni sausage, so it's going to have a different taste. But the taste is not bad. It's not the real deal, but it's a damn good alternative. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. Sorry that there was no taste test, because Tess is not in the country. She's in Holland, so I had to improvise with this. But I hope next time she'll be back. That sounded really weird. She will be back, but I hope it will match our filming schedule so that she can do the taste test, if that makes sense. I'm really good at explaining today, am I? So, thank you again for watching, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!